course have our brow product. We have to have that because we're working on, in some cases, we are restoring brows. And we needed a product that could immediately give the client a fuller brow, like the vision of the TrueBrow specialist could be offered to the client immediately, because people want instant gratification. They want it right then, right there. They don't want to wait for a year before their brows are looking beautiful. That's crazy, right? So what we developed this product for from scratch was so that we could give that to the client and to the professional. So the professional can use the collection, which is a range of 3 colors, a specific formulation. So there's 2 products. There is the Element and there's True Color, which is the pigment, and there's a beautiful brush. This brush that we created is the first time that a brush like this, of this sort of quality and the shape, has ever been used for brows in the world. And that's because we needed something that could really support the system, support the beauty and the subtlety of the work that we do. So the TrueBrow collection is specifically formulated. It's an exclusive collection. And it's magnificent. 3 colors. The salon owner doesn't have to purchase 10 or 15 colors or 6 colors even. Just 3 basic beautiful colors that work for every brow color. And she works with these colors to enhance the brow. Say someone wants to go really bold, we have not only the use, we don't only teach them how to use the True Color to do that, and an Element, we also have a special brush for that. And but secondly, if they want the brow to be very, very natural, they can do it with the same product. It's so versatile. So it's one kit for every brow request. Any sort of any mood that your client's in, the TrueBrow collection is just perfect. It's like they don't have to go and buy something else. They have this perfect little kit that stays on all day until they wash it off at the end of the day, and it can be very, very natural and light and earthy and absolutely beautiful. Great for women that don't like putting on powder or putting on anything on their brows, but they still want their brows to look beautiful. Awesome for young girls that are very, very committed to, those really big bold brows at the moment. It's wonderful. It still will leave the brow looking natural, and it'll stay on all day. So the TrueBrow collection is just an absolute love of mine, and I love using it. I love the results that I get. I have to add just also how amazing it is for helping women that are suffering from brow microblading fails, really, discoloration, scarring, really bad designs. What we're finding, our girls are finding that it's remarkable, where other brow products just can't cover the discoloration a lot of the time, like the reds and the blues. It just seems to just cover so beautifully and give back the woman her dignity, and give her back, a sense of confidence with her brows. Sadly, she might not have it when she wakes up in the morning looking at her husband, but after she goes and puts on her makeup and her TrueBrow collection, her brow makeup, she'll feel fantastic and amazing, and won't have to be embarrassed when she's walking around. So the collection it's just amazed us with how well it's doing that for clients.